Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about one of the hottest markets in the world right now, and that is Dubai. Dubai is a city of dreams, where you can find amazing opportunities to invest in property and generate huge returns. Whether you're looking for a quick flip, a steady income, or a long-term development, Dubai has something for you. I'm going to show you 3 proven strategies to make money in Dubai real estate: flipping, renting, and developing. I'll also give you some tips on how to do each one successfully, avoid common mistakes, and find the best resources to help you along the way. So, let's get started. Dubai is a booming city that attracts millions of tourists, expats, and investors every year. According to the Dubai Land Department, the total value of real estate transactions in Dubai reached 26.14 billion dirhams in September 2023, an increase of 60% compared to the same month last year. The average sales price for residential properties rose by around 10% between the third quarter of the year 2021 and 2022, and the demand for rental properties is also high, with an average rental yield of 6 to 7% compared to 2 to 4% in other major cities. So, how can you take advantage of this lucrative market and make money in Dubai real estate? Here are 3 strategies that you can use, depending on your goals, budget, and risk appetite. Strategy number 1. Flipping. Flipping is when you buy a property, fix it up or improve it, and then sell it for a profit. The quicker you can sell the property, the better your chance of making more money. Flipping is a popular strategy for investors who want to make a quick return on their investment and who have the skills, time, and resources to manage the renovation process. One example of a successful flipper in Dubai is Hisham, who bought an apartment in Jumeirah Village Circle for 650,000 dirhams in 2021. He spent 50,000 dirhams on renovating the apartment, adding new flooring, and upgrading the apartment. He then sold the apartment for 850,000 dirhams in 2023, making a profit of 150,000 dirhams in less than 2 years. If you want to flip properties in Dubai, here are some tips to help you succeed. Do your research. Before you buy a property, make sure you know the market well and compare the prices and features of similar properties in the area. You also need to factor in renovation costs and estimate the potential profit margin and return on investment. You can use online tools like Bayut and ProperStar to find and analyze properties for sale in Dubai. Choose the right property. Look for properties that are in high-demand areas, have good amenities, and are easy to access. You also want to look for properties that need minor cosmetic improvements rather than major structural repairs, as these will cost less and take less time to fix. Avoid properties that have legal issues, such as disputes, liens, or violations, as these can delay or prevent the sale. You can also look for properties that are under foreclosure, auction, or distress, as these can offer lower prices and better deals. Hire a professional team. Unless you have the skills and experience to do the renovation yourself, you will need to hire a professional team of contractors, designers, and inspectors to help you with the project. Make sure you choose reputable and licensed professionals who can deliver quality work on time and on budget. You can use online platforms like Service Market and Mr. Usta to find and compare service providers in Dubai, advertise, and offer the property. Once the property is ready, you need to market and sell it as soon as possible, as holding costs can eat into your profits. You can use online platforms like Dubizzle and Property Finder to list and advertise your property to potential buyers. If you hire an agent, make sure you choose an agent who has experience and knowledge of the local market and who can charge a reasonable commission. Strategy number 2. Renting. Renting is when you buy a property and have someone pay a fee to live there. It's a long-term, more passive investment, although it's not passive because regular tasks still need to be handled. Renting is a popular strategy for investors who want to generate a steady income and who have the capital, patience, and resources to manage the property. One example of a successful renter in Dubai is Fatima, who bought a studio apartment in International City for 250,000 dirhams in 2021. She rented out the apartment for 25,000 dirhams per year, which gave her a gross rental yield of 10%. She also enjoyed capital appreciation, as the value of the apartment increased to 300,000 dirhams in 2023. If you want to rent properties in Dubai, here are some tips to help you succeed. Before you buy a property, make sure you know the market well and compare the rents and features of similar properties in the area. You also need to factor in the costs of maintenance, fees, taxes, and commissions, and estimate the potential cash flow and return on investment. Look for properties that are in high-demand areas, have good amenities, and are easy to maintain. You also want to look for properties that suit your target tenants, whether they are families, singles, professionals, or tourists. You can also look for properties that offer visa options, such as the Golden Visa program, which can attract long-term tenants and investors. Once the property is ready, you need to market and rent it as soon as possible, as vacancy costs can eat into your income. You can use online platforms like Dubizzle and Property Finder to list and advertise your property to potential tenants. You can also hire a real estate agent to help you with the property's pricing, staging, showing, and negotiating. Strategy number 3. Developing. Developing is when you buy land or property and build or improve it to create a new or better product. It's a high-risk and high-reward investment involving a lot of capital, time, and expertise. Developing is also a good way to leverage the opportunities and gaps in Dubai, as you can create a property that meets the needs and preferences of the market. One example of a successful developer in Dubai is Mohammed, who bought a plot of land in Al Furjan for 5 million dirhams in 2021. He spent 15 million dirhams on the construction, design, and marketing of the project. He then sold each unit for 3 million dirhams in 2023, making a profit of 15 million dirhams in less than 3 years. If you're considering developing properties in Dubai, here are some tips to help you succeed. Do thorough market research, analyze opportunities, and estimate costs and potential returns. Use sites like Bayut and ProperStar. Next, choose land or properties in areas with strong demand and infrastructure. Consider government incentives like Tanmia. Compare options on IQI Global and M&M Real Estate. You'll also need to hire reputable professionals like architects, contractors, and marketers. Once the property is complete, sell quickly to avoid holding costs. Follow these tips to develop profitable properties in booming Dubai. With the right preparation and team, your project can become a rewarding investment. So, if you are entering Dubai's lucrative real estate domain, be aware of these common mistakes. When renting, don't neglect maintenance or disregard tenant rights. These issues lead to vacancies and legal problems. If you are flipping, don't overpay on purchases or underestimate a renovation costs. Avoid overimprovement and ignore market trends at your peril. Developing property, don't underestimate challenges or overcomplicate designs. Stay organized and don't cut corners, or projects can fail. By knowing the potential pitfalls, you can avoid them. Do your homework, plan conservatively, and work with trusted teams. Sidestepping common mistakes is key to Dubai property investing success. Well, these are the 3 strategies that you can use to make money in Dubai real estate. Each one has its advantages and disadvantages, and you need to choose the one that suits your goals, budget, and risk appetite. Dubai is a great place to invest in real estate, as it offers high returns, low prices, and a variety of property types. I hope this video has given you some useful information and inspiration to start or grow your real estate journey in Dubai. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.